Imagine creating unlimited AI videos with Google's most powerful tools without spending a single cent. Sounds impossible, right? Everyone's talking about VEO 3 and Gemini Pro, but most people don't realize there's a way to use them completely free. No payment, no credits, unlimited access. These tools can write, edit, and generate videos at professional level, giving you content that looks like you hired a whole creative team. And the crazy part? You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are using Google VEO 3 and Gemini Pro to create content faster than ever, and why almost nobody knows this free method exists. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to tap into unlimited AI video power without paying a dime. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because I'm dropping more AI hacks that save you money and time. Let's begin by getting an Indian college student ID using this website. The link will be in the description, so click on it and come over here to generate one for yourself. Once you're on this website, select one of the images, click Generate New Card, and download it onto your device. Let's proceed to the next step, which is getting a working India VPN that actually provides a unique Indian IP address. You can skip this part if you're from India. Visit the Play Store or App Store and search for Urban VPN. Install it and open it after a successful installation. As a new user of this VPN, subscribe to their 3-day free trial. Remember to cancel when you're done using it. I've already done that. Now, connect to an Indian server. Once connected, let's check to see if our IP address is coming from India. Good, my IP is showing India, Mumbai to be exact. Now, let's move to the next stage in grabbing this juicy offer. Visit the link provided in the description to access the website you're seeing now in private or incognito mode. As it boldly states, students get a free-of-charge upgrade of Gemini until the end of Finals 2026 when you sign up by 15 September. You have up to 15 September to grab this offer, which will expire in 2026, 1 year from the date you registered. Let's grab it now. Click on Get Offer. Sign in with a Gmail address. I'll recommend a newly created one since I created a new email for this. We'll have to verify our eligibility. Here's where the student ID card and its info become useful. So click on Verify Eligibility now. It will open in a new tab. You'll be taken to a page like this. Fill in the form with the details from the ID card you generated. The college's name, first and last name on the ID card, Select any appropriate date of birth and type in an email address. You can use the one you're signed in with. Click on Verify Student Eligibility now. You'll be prompted to add documents. Click to upload the student ID card you generated and click Submit. Google will start processing your application. Congratulations, you've been approved. An email will be sent to you confirming this. Here is mine indicating that the information and the attached documents have been approved. Now let's claim the offer and start using it. Click on Get Google AI Pro. You'll be taken to a page which reads, University students get Gemini in Google AI Pro for 1 year free of charge, which is 100% valid. Click on Get Student Offer. It will start loading. A window will pop up for you to add payment methods. Don't worry, you'll only be charged a refundable amount of $1 to confirm your payment method. There are 4 payment methods: Visa or MasterCard, UPI app, which is mainly for Indians, redeem code, or pay on your phone. I'll add my bank card, so I'll click on that. I'll fill in the details. I'll have to blur this part. And click on Save afterward. Another window will pop up. On this window, simply click on Subscribe. There you go. You've successfully subscribed to Google AI Pro completely free. Some of the benefits you're about to enjoy are 1. Access to our most capable models and premium features. 2. Create high-quality videos with VEO models. 3. More access to Gemini features, including deep research. 4. More access to audio overviews and sources in Notebook LM. 5. Gemini in Gmail, Docs, videos, and more, and 2 terabytes of total storage and more premium benefits. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. This video, just as I said earlier, I'll show you how to create quality videos with Google VEO 3 on a daily basis without using your credits. Before we proceed, let me show you the credits I have in this account so you'll believe what I'm talking about after we create our first video using the method I'm about to show you. As you can see, I only have 240 AI credits left in the account. Let me refresh it so you won't say it's some sort of screenshot. As you can see, I'm truly left with 240 AI credits. Now let's start creating with this method. Open a new tab, search for Google Vids, and then click on the first search result. Agree to the cookies and click Sign in to Vids. It'll open a new tab like this. Now I'll select the Gmail account with my Google VEO 3 plan. Well, you can't use Google Vids on mobile devices, but don't worry. Simply click the 3 dots, turn on Desktop Site, and you'll have full access to Google Vids. Close the pop-up window. On your right-hand side, look for VEO and click on it. Paste your prompt in the space provided and hit Create. Your video will start generating. Good, the video is done generating. Before I show you how to download it, let's see if I was charged any credits. Let's go to Flow and refresh the page. As you can see, I wasn't charged a dime. I'm still left with 240 AI credits. Now, let me show you how to download the generated video from Google Vids. To download the video, click the Share button and then Export to Drive. The video will be exported to your drive. Now click the 3 dots and then Download. Your video will start downloading. Another way to do it is to click File and then Download as MP4. That's it. See you in the next video.